Hey guys, it's your boy Twadi, and this is going to be a really short video because I'm actually sad right now. Like, what the fuck, Bafetu? So apparently, our Romeo and Juliet, Naledi Piwe and Mawelele have broken up. So yeah, it's a fucked up day, guys. So allegedly, there have been some problems behind the scenes. So like, nabo like indlela ebayenze ngayo, like on Instagram live should show people that they blocked each other, they are no longer together, and like this is really shocking because guys, remember these people were supposed to be getting married, like they were engaged. Remember they announced that they are getting married. But I guess umjolo sinyesa sonke. But like what's worse is that why would you guys like an Instagram live? But I understand, Naledi's still young and she still acts like high school. But you know what? One thing I'm happy about is that Naledi is single again. And who knows, maybe I can even be her next Chris Brown, BD. So guys, like I said, this is gonna be a really short video. So if you get lazy or bored, you can just skip and listen to the song of the day. It's your boy Twadi and I'm out.
Kodwa futhi mhlambe ngingakufisela inhlanhla sabithi kube right la uyakhona. I think kumele ngivele ngisho nje ukuthi kube right la ukhona. Kube right. Because mangithi kube right la uyakhona, I think angiyibeki ngale ndlela le. Yabo, kube right la ukhona.
Oh, oh, really? Impela mfethu.
Sakudinga dai. Isakudinga.
Wait. But I know it's fine. Thank you. Like, honestly, I feel like,
Don't you have papers?
mfethu sesilonde mfethu. Oh yeah, mfethu khuleka. But all I'm trying to say is, I didn't want us to be labo bantu mfethu, yabo. So look, with my sisahlukana and then we hate each other and all that. I really enjoy what we did as far as Romeo and Juliet went. I don't want to be emotional manje ngikhuluma about us and memories we've built. Understand? I don't want to go to that space right now. Understand? But in things I'm wishing for to like I wouldn't like for us to be labo bantu. I want us ngelinye ilanga, if possible, we are able to be in one space, perform for people. That's what people want.
Do you think it's a
I really wish that could happen. Mina personally, ngiyafisa mfethu ukuthi lokho kungayenzeka. Understand? So yeah, mfethu everyone. I feel like we case now. We can both feel like omunye uronge omunye ngandlela thizeni, which me I'm not willing to speak about. My point is
slowly.
Angizise zona zikwenza ukuthi Yolanda now ilama phutha.
Just slowly, guys. Hey, many just don't do the man for Aish. Ayibethu ngikhalile kakhulu mfana. Manje ngivele ngadedela inhliziyo. ngabe ngiqambela amanga amaweleni uma ngasuthi angikutshengisanga ukuthi ngikuthanda ngingakanani. Ayo wena ngikuqeda
And
vele.
the family, all of the night. Ay, man. Fun.
Sisilo babona kodwa Lindo but Lindo labelunguzo. Hawu. Uyabheda mina sisifundo. Mama. Yabo indlela engihlala ngayo.
Don't do Lindo. Akekho.
Sisilonde nangimali ekhuluma nawe. Bari bafethu sazi ngani yabuye ngathi kuyahleka ngempela. Cha nje sengingadida ukuthi kuyahlekwa shame. Phela khona ezinye izinto vele yabo. Manje saqala sibuye njengomdlalo. Yabo. Mase zenzeka ngempela. Yabo. Mina ngiyakholelwa kule nto leyo. Sikhona ngizobona ukuthi bengadlali.
But anyways, all I'm saying is ukuthi ngicela mfethu sibe abantu abakwazi ukuphilisana, sibe right and be able to perform together. Because at the end of the day, mfethu, vele ukhokhomelon, uhlala ukhokhomelon, right? Yeah. South Africa mo ukhokhomelon. Yeah. And it's about to Cocomelon stubborn. Like I've never watched Lauma Popeye, but then I heard Utsi little Popeye li corrupt li stubborn. But then anyways, I'm joking a lot. But in fact, I feel something I was seven signs be right and perform together, we be right. So yeah. It's opening, yeah, no. I feel like we can discuss it mase so to mhlawumbe uzonganiblock bese sikhulume ngakho.
No, but it's Chateau Branco. Yeah, this is slow. Nabeti Chateau Branco.
Who's that?
Comment. What is Chateau Branco? These guys. Isn't it one window?
Yeah.
Variety.
Hey, guys, I think that's what it is.
As long as you
No, that man did actually come, so
ish.
it's unfortunate.
If you most
So,
as long as you affect to it.
it's a social funding. No,
Eh? I will connect a phone. Some way of small.
Are we pausing? I'm not.
Mhlawumbe yena imali sizoba free manje post intombi yakhe. Uphuze nanti sisilonda. Sizoqala phansi ethu. Uzokwazi ukuposta enye intombi yakhe nena. Mhlawumbe nizothola usizo omusha. Sakho.
I know, no. It's fine. Akunankinga ke mina mfethu lo bengifuna ukusho ngikushilo. Angazi noma ukuzwile na but then it's fine. Ube right ube nobusuku obuhle. I'll see you soon. I know. Sometime they're gonna book us together and then we're gonna be there and then yeah. Ube right. Yeah. Yeah, ube right.
Okay, sure.
Peace.
Yeah. Gang. Gucci with a bag, nigga. You know I tell factual stories and shit. Fact. Hey, hey. So much smoke in the back room. The shit that I sold, I was smoke too. The glass pipe burning so hard till it pop out. Morgan didn't pass their pipe till the blast started to come out. I had to flee the hood. Young, I was drowning in too many cases. Back then, too many faces. And then I needed changing. I moved down. FS Studio started cook out. I had some people to look up. Even my mama, she stood up. She noticed the sun was different. And I was about the beefy. End up suffering depression. Then I go up in the beefy. I had some people to look out. Even my mama, she stood up. She noticed the sun was different. And I was always about the beefy. And I did suffer some basic depression. Suffer some basic sexual stuff. Suffer some basic depression. And no lie in this. Don't be asking me what I smoke. Should be asking me who I smoke. Catalea, I take overdose. She make me rich even though I'm broke. I never cry when my heart broke. And I go around the heartbeat. Fuck around in the side chick. If she mentally with this nigga, I'ma release my side piece.
Catalia is who I smoke. I'm a blunt king, yeah, always block. My mother worry, she tryna flop, but I'm high up, I'm skimming the waves. Catalia got me working on pace, got me skimming up, I'm hitting those waves. Fuck up the game, I never wanna hate. Living the dream, I never wanna fake.
Don't be asking me what I smoke. Should be asking me who I smoke. Catalea, I take overdose. She made me rich even though I'm broke. I never cry when my heart broke. Gucci with a bag. Polar facts.